Hello, our friends. Get those pencils ready. We're going to be drawing Shrek today. Okay, so to start with, I'm going to lay in. Okay, we got a head, great big belly, and some little legs and feet, and arms. All right, I think I am ready to show you how to do this. Okay, so to start with, we're gonna come over here. We're gonna make a C, come down, come back up, and make another C. And there is Shrek's nose. Then we're gonna make a little line, like so. We're gonna make an eyeball coming up from that line. Then we're gonna make another little line, and an eyeball coming up from that line. And I'm gonna shade those in, leaving a little light. Then we're gonna make a line coming around the top, an eyelid line. Okay, so there's where his eyes go open and close, eyelid line. And then we're gonna make a little eyebrow line. There's another little eyebrow line. We'll make this one straighter. They're sisters, not twins. And then we're gonna make a line coming around the top of his head, like so. Then we've got his little Shrek ears. There's a circle. We'll put another circle inside of it. And then here's another one coming out. Put a circle, another circle inside of it. There we go. All right, then he's got a great big smile underneath there because he's a happy fella. And we'll put some dimple lines there. And we'll put a line coming down here, maybe a line over here. And then his chin is way down here. He's got a great big chin. And his face kind of comes out down to his chin. Comes out and down to his chin. And there is Shrek's face. Oh, he's a cutie. All right, then his shoulder comes out right about here. Has a little V. Then we're gonna take it down. You're right, this is the vest. Coming back up and around, and it goes back into his head. And we're gonna do this side. So this side, V, coming back down, coming across. This one's kind of got more of a wave to it. Back up and in. Then we've got a tie here. Go. And then we have the belly. All right, so we're gonna start it, come down, and we're gonna stop right here because he's got a hand there. All right, so then we're gonna come over here, draw his elbow back down. Okay, so here's his arm, and then it comes up like so, and then it goes boink, 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 and then right there. And then we've got some like sleeve lines. And then we have some Shrek fingers. Just like so. Yep. There we go. And get some fingernails. There's Shrek's hand. And then the belly comes back out and around, but it overlaps. Okay. Then we have a belt underneath. We'll put a square in the middle. Comes around, and then the bottom of his shirt comes down and around. There we go. What did we forget? Oh, his other arm. All right, so his other arm comes down, bends in, comes across, and we've got like a little bend in the shirt thing there. And then his other arm comes down, floop, floop, floop. There's his hand, just a little bumpity bump. Then we've got his Shrek legs. And his Shrek calves. Then we've got his little booties. And do kind of a curvy line that comes back around. Yep, looks good. And let's do his other leg, coming down, down, calf. This just kind of comes around. Got his booty again. And ooh, we're running out of room. Little S comes back around and back up. And there are his shoes, and voila, here is Shrek. Cutie, cute, cute. All right, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.